Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to see apps rating in Google Play Store on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly, of course, you just have to open your Google Play Store, and after, if you want to see the rating for the application on the Google Play Store, I'm gonna tap on the search options first, and now this is for the category that I wanna to search. For example, I'm gonna search for the adventure. This is for the games, I guess, explore games. And here we can see the rating option at the top right. You can choose for the rating, which is from 4.0 and above, or also here you can choose that 4.5 and above. You can choose it first like this to see the rating. So if you have to see the ratings from another categories, you just have to go back again, and now just choose the categories of application that you wanna see for the rating. For example, for the beauty here, I'm gonna tap on it, and this is for the rating options. So yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.